The BMW M5 is one of those cars that holds a special place in the world of performance sedans. On one hand, it is a family-friendly luxury car with all the comfort and technology that BMW is known for. On the other hand, it hides a beast under the hood that can go toe-to-toe with some of the most powerful sports cars in the world. But what if we take this already incredible machine and give it a complete transformation, turning it from a stock executive sedan into a head-turning sports monster? In today's review, we are going to explore both sides of the BMW M5, first as a simple, original car and then as a fully modified sports edition, so you can see exactly what changes are needed, what kind of budget is required, and most importantly, how the driving experience is redefined once the transformation is complete. This is MotriX, and let's dive straight into the world of BMW M5. Starting with the stock version, the original BMW M5 comes with a sleek design that perfectly balances elegance and aggression. The front fascia has BMW's signature kidney grills, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern look. The body lines are smooth and sophisticated, and the car sits at a height that tells you this is a luxury sedan first, but with a hint of performance. The rear end is equally stylish, with dual exhaust tips and LED taillights that make the car look premium without being over the top. Inside, the cabin is pure BMW luxury, high-quality leather seats, a digital cockpit with BM's iDrive system, ambient lighting, and plenty of space for 5 passengers. In short, the original M5 is the kind of car that you could drive every day, whether it's for a business meeting or a weekend road trip. It looks classy, it feels comfortable, and it has all the latest technology. But, of course, what really makes the BMW M5 special is what lies under the hood. The current M5 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing over 600 horsepower and around 750 Nm of torque. This powerhouse can accelerate the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds, which is supercar territory. The car comes with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which ensures incredible traction and control, whether you are driving on dry tarmac, wet roads, or even a track. The 8-speed automatic transmission is quick and responsive, making gear changes seamless. Even in its stock form, the M5 is not just fast, it is brutally quick, with a sound that will make your heart race. Now, as impressive as the original M5 is, some enthusiasts always want more. More aggression, more style, more sound, and an overall look that screams sports car. This is where modification comes in. If you want to turn your standard BMW M5 into a sports machine, the process usually starts with the exterior. The first major change is the body kit. By installing a widebody kit, you give the car a much more aggressive stance. This includes flared wheel arches, a deeper front bumper with larger air intakes, side skirts that hug the ground, and a rear diffuser that looks like it came straight from a race car. Pair this with a carbon fiber hood that not only reduces weight but also adds that sporty, track-focused vibe, and suddenly your M5 no longer looks like a business sedan. It looks like a car ready to dominate the streets and the track. Next comes the color. While the stock M5 offers a variety of elegant shades, nothing changes the character of a car more than its paint or wrap. For a sports transformation, many people go for matte finishes, matte black, matte gray, or even matte blue. A vinyl wrap is often the preferred choice because it is more affordable than a full paint job, it is reversible, and it gives the car a unique, custom appearance. With a matte black wrap, the M5 takes on a stealthy, aggressive personality that makes it look like it belongs in a Fast and Furious movie. Add some gloss black or carbon fiber accents around the mirrors, the grille, and the spoiler, and the car becomes a visual masterpiece. But a sports car isn't just about looks. Wheels and tires play a huge role. The original M5 comes with stylish alloy rims, but for a sports conversion, larger 21-inch rims with low profile, high-performance tires are the way to go. Choose lightweight forged wheels in a bold design, and paint the brake calipers red or yellow to make them stand out behind the rims. Not only does this improve handling and grip, but it also gives the car that motorsport-inspired appearance. Pair it with a lowered suspension setup, and suddenly your M5 hugs the road like a proper race car. The rear of the car deserves special attention in a sports build. A carbon fiber spoiler, whether it is a subtle lip or a full GT wing, adds downforce and makes the rear look aggressive. The stock dual exhaust system can be swapped for a quad titanium exhaust that not only looks mean but also produces an unforgettable sound. The deep growl of a tuned V8 with pops and crackles on downshifts transforms the driving experience. People won't just see your car coming, they will hear it from a mile away. Step inside, and the interior of the sports M5 can also be modified to match the exterior. Replace the stock leather seats with Alcantara racing seats, swap the steering wheel for a flat-bottom carbon fiber one, and add custom stitching in red or blue. Carbon fiber trim across the dashboard and door panels makes the cabin feel track-ready, while racing harnesses complete the transformation for those who want an authentic motorsport feel. Of course, you can also keep the luxury features like ambient lighting and infotainment to enjoy the best of both worlds. Performance upgrades take the car to another level. While the stock M5 is already fast, modifications such as EQ remapping, upgraded turbos, high-flow air intakes, and a performance exhaust can push the power closer to 750 or even 800 horsepower. Pair this with upgraded brakes and a sport-tuned suspension, and you have a sedan that can challenge supercars on the track. The driving dynamics change completely. The car feels sharper, more responsive, and much more aggressive. It demands attention and rewards skilled driving. One of the biggest advantages of modifying an M5 is the uniqueness. BMW produces thousands of M5s, but once you customize it, your car becomes one of a kind. The satisfaction of seeing your own creation, your vision of what a sports car should be, is unmatched. You can take your car to shows, meets, or even just cruise the city at night, and it will always stand out. Of course, modifications come with costs. A full widebody kit installation can range anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 depending on quality and labor. A professional wrap costs between $3,000 and $5,000. High-end rims and tires can set you back another $5,000 to $10,000. Performance upgrades vary, but a Stage 1 tune might cost around $2,000, while a full turbo and exhaust upgrade can go beyond $15,000. The point is, transforming a BMW M5 into a sports beast is not cheap, but the results are spectacular. And unlike buying a factory sports car, here you are building something truly personal. So when we compare the original BMW M5 with a modified sports version, what do we see? The stock M5 is elegant, fast, and versatile. It is the perfect car for someone who wants performance without losing comfort and practicality. It is the kind of car you can take to work, to dinner, or on a family road trip, without any compromise. On the other hand, the sports modified M5 is raw, aggressive, and unapologetic. It looks wilder, it sounds louder, and it performs sharper. It is a statement, not just a car. It is for someone who wants to stand out, who wants to blend luxury with motorsport, and who doesn't mind spending extra to achieve their dream machine. At the end of the day, whether you choose to keep your M5 stock or turn it into a sports monster depends on what you want out of the car. If you love elegance with hidden performance, the original M5 is perfect. But if you want all eyes on you, if you want a car that feels alive and aggressive every time you touch the throttle, then the sports transformation is worth every penny. Both versions of the M5 are special in their own way, and that's what makes this car so unique in the automotive world. This has been the BMW M5, reviewed in both its simple and sports transformed avatars. On MotriX, we'll keep bringing you more unique reviews like this, where we not only look at what the car is but also what it can become. Because in the world of cars, sometimes it's not about what you buy, but about what you build.